A pre-owned 2017 Chevrolet Express 2500. This three-door van has an 8-cylinder, 4.8-liter V8 engine with rear-wheel drive and a 6-speed shiftable auto transmission. This Chevrolet has less than 165,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, power windows, window defogger, front air conditioning, power steering, digital odometer, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, power brakes, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.